Garrett Lund with the LundTeam here at an exciting opportunity on Navigator, South Carsbad. This is as South Carsbad as you get. You are sitting on the lagoon, the Batiquitos Lagoon, as it feeds into the Pacific Ocean. This property is an absolute 10 out of 10. It is custom built. Every inch of it was designed for the location and the view. Each room is private. Open concept, great room upstairs. You have views, I'd say 270 degrees plus. You're looking at whitewater at Ponto Beach down here. All the way wraps around, you get a full view of the Batiquitos. Then you're all the way looking east to the mountains, to the hills of La Costa, and the beautiful preserve. The Batiquitos is one of the most beautiful lagoons I've ever seen. Natural wildlife, just incredible. So we want to encourage you to come into this house, take a look at it. You're going to love the finishes, the custom details. The open concept gourmet kitchen opens to these casual areas, these family areas, these dining, wraparound decks everywhere. It's a reverse floor plan to take advantage of the view, which was very smart. Downstairs, master bedroom, multiple guest rooms, large laundry room. There's even a private elevator. So this lives like a single level if you need it to, but you get that view, that second story view. And we want to encourage you to come see it in person. Pictures, video just don't do it justice. When you're seeing this view, the breeze coming in from the Pacific, unbelievable. Garrett Lund with the LundTeam, 760-438-0800, or visit us at LundTeam.com. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.